Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. So today we're gonna be working on the bike. So I just bought the new tires, but I won't be showing you on how to install it because I'm planning to actually paint the rims before installing it. But I'm gonna show you 3 ways on how to debead your rims. Debead or unbead, whatever. Um, Remove the bead. So there are 3 ways for us DIYers, DIYers, and I'm gonna show you the 3 of them. These are for those who doesn't have tools, which is how I am always is. Well, I've got tools, but not specialized tools for tasks that I'm not, constantly doing. So tires, once a year. So I'm not really into spending on equipment just for changing, you know, my bike's tire. I can probably spend, a couple of bucks having it removed from the tire center, but as much as you do it yourself, you save money. And I would like to save money because the money that I'll be saving, I'll be buying chain. So there's gonna be a lot of videos to come. So let's get into it. So first thing you need to do is to remove the valve. So make sure not to lose this. And this is what I use. First option is to pry. Go around, and that's it. That's already to bid. So the other option is So that's the second one. Before I show you the third one, let me just inflate this first. So the third one is with the vise. So you clamp it here. Whoop. Did I say 3 techniques? Didn't know my vise was broken. So, well, erase it. There's 2 techniques for today. Because this will not work. So anyways, the theory is you'll just clamp it this way, the same as what we did with the block of wood or the jack. So 2 correction. Okay, those are the techniques of having to remove your tires from the bead. So now we are gonna take it off.
I had to did it twice because I thought the vice clamp was in good condition, but I guess it wasn't. Somebody must have hammered it really hard. So anyways, we were able to take off the tires and money saved, so we can buy our chain. So that will be the end of this video because we are going to paint this first before we install the new tires. So I hope you like this video. I know we are missing one technique, but I hope you like it. I hope I was able to share some techniques. Do like and subscribe. To my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Peace.